Let's take a look at the BRN 50 assembly, the blind rivet nut adapter for the XPress 800 rivet gun. Here is the BRN 50 assembly, designed for speed and seamless connectivity. This modular system keeps your tools ready for every job. Simply slide the unit into place and secure it. No complicated setup, no unnecessary downtime, just smooth integration. The swivel head design allows for increased flexibility during operation, featuring up to 270 degrees of vertical movement and 180 degrees of horizontal rotation, giving technicians greater access in difficult repair areas. Next, we'll set up the pulling adapter. Precision matters here, and the XPress 800 makes hardware changes quick and effortless. Whether you're preparing for a standard repair or a specialized application, alignment stays accurate every time. A quick tighten using standard tools, and the system is locked in. Durable, reliable, built for demanding shop environments. Now prepare the blind rivet nut. The XPress 800 delivers a clean and consistent starting point for every application. Its ergonomic design gives technicians complete control during setup, helping reduce fatigue while improving precision. Now let's look at the precision behind the perfect setting. Using a simple formula, you can quickly calculate the exact setting value required for the job. Measure the compressible range, the flange thickness, and the total sheet stack. This gives you your precise setting value, X. Once calculated, simply dial the value directly into the actuator. Fast, accurate, controlled. The result, a flawless, high-strength installation every single time. Wieländer and Schill, the XPress 800, built for precision, engineered for professionals.